Happy Friday, guys. Welcome to day 11 of my trade journal. As you can see, I did take a trade today. We're up 19 cents. It's a terrible risk to reward ratio, I know. I mean, there's no way I ever come away with a 19-cent loser, but let's hop on over to Webull and I'll show you what's going on. So I don't actually even have this trade recorded. I had shut my recording down for the day. I'm like, I'm getting off. This is ridiculous. And so what you see here is we do have 7 stocks on the screener right now, but really only one of them is worth looking at. And it's PPSI, this top one, because it has 600,000 shares of volume traded. Everything else has less than 100,000. Like, people are not looking at these stocks. This is the one, PPSI. And I was looking at it all the way from the start. So let's drag this over here and so you can get a better look. So right here is where market opens. Boom. And it falls off. And I'm like, okay, we've been seeing a lot of these in the past. They find a bottom and then they rally back up and they punch through the previous high from yesterday. Right here, you can see I already have that drawn. There you go. So I'm waiting for it, right? And let me show you a few things. It comes up. I'm like, nice first green candle. I'm going to wait for some strength. Next candle goes green, shoots all the way up here, but then look at this. It pulls down and closes here. I'm like, what is that? That's a topping tail. I better not get in. The next candle opens here and goes up to here. Then the next candle opens, goes all the way up, drops down. And the next candle opens all the way down here, goes shoomp. And then we kind of end up here. And right there, I'm like, okay, well, if we break 450, then, and if we hold that, we'll probably have good resistance, good support. And then we might punch through the high. All right, well, let me show you the price action on this candle right here. So we've just had this push up, and now here it comes, right? And I'm like, okay, we're through 450. It goes all the way up to there really quick, and I'm like, oh, maybe if this candle goes high, I'll get in. And we're holding. And we fall back down. And this is just a huge topping tail. And at this point, I'm kind of like, this stock has to do something really big for me to push the buy button. If I get caught in that right there, I'm going to be upset. And look at that. It ends up going white below the previous candle before it closes. And then the next candle forms and we just kind of have more of this choppiness here with huge wicks on the candles. None of the candles are a nice full body clean move. I'm like, I don't understand this price action. And so I let it go and I let it go. And I turn off my recording software right here around 440. And the first thing it does is squeeze through the prior high of day right after that. I'm like, oh boy, I don't know. Watch this. This whole way here, it's been trading off the 9 EMA. This line right here bounces off that, goes up, bounces again. It's trading off that level pretty good. And so where I got in was right here. It popped up and it went through $5 and it kind of held right there. I'm like, if this next candle goes green, I'm going to get in. And it did go green. And so I got in right here at $5, and it popped up to 502, and I sold. And the next candle goes white, and it goes white, and it goes white. It finds resistance here and goes all the way up to 518. So I probably should have waited and got in right here, right? And then I could have rode this a little bit. But look at this bottoming tail. And that's the story of this stock right there. I'll be honest, I should never have taken that trade right there. I mean, sure, I got a 2-cent winner on it, but this is not the type of stock that I'm used to trading. This is a grinder. Which is really weird because it only has 67,000 shares of average volume. Like, we're already at 740. We've already turned over 10x the usual volume of this stock, and so I would have expected more of like a move like that, maybe a slight pullback and then higher. Instead, it's this. And I'm not very good at buying those because I'm used to buying candle over candle and it shoots up. Instead, you get like a small green candle and you don't really know the momentum's there. And then all of a sudden it goes boom. And you're like, okay, I think I missed out on this move. All right, I'll quit yapping and get off. But I'm just telling you, I feel lucky that I'm green. I should have never taken the trade. I'll come back Monday and hopefully we get some more of those quick squeezes, not this choppiness like this. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day. The account is sitting at 105.97. We're 3 cents away from 106 or a 6% growth in the account. So 2 weeks into the challenge for August, I'd say that's pretty good. A little bit of a cushion there. Love you. Peace out.